Changing a language on Revolut app is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you can change language on Revolut app. Well, in order to change the language of the app, the process is very simple. You simply have to change the language of your phone settings. So for that you simply have to open up your settings app. Now in your settings app, what do you have to is you just have to go to the general sections. You just have to scroll down and tap on this general. In the general you just have to scroll down and tap on this language and reach section and the language and region section. You can actually change your region as well and add a new language which will be your language for you. You know, any of the app that you're using, your Revolut will automatically detect the language and add that language. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to change language on the Revolut app. Hope you guys find this without help.